Hello sophomores, this is a quick video on some of the features and tools available to you when you are working in your class notebook. So we're going to go ahead and go to class notebook. Currently, I put something in all of your week one, in all of your poem of the week folders. As we go on with the class, there will be more documents in all of your folders. But today, you're going to go into, I'll just pick a random name. Let's just say we'll go to Isaac, and then we're going to go into poem of the week. And you will now see, once it loads, that there is a document or a page already in there for you that I shared with you. So it's week one. We'll click week one. And you'll see that you have a few different things. So once you click on the white page, it will become in a position where you can see the majority of the page. You obviously have a title. You have some directions here, along with an audio recording. So if you click play right here, you will be able to listen to the audio of the directions. And then you have the poem itself. So you have the poem presented in two formats. You have the poem presented in almost like a picture. And if you wanted to, you could click this word icon right here, and you will be asked if you'd like to download this copy. If you choose to download, now what you have is the actual Word document of this poem. So if you like this poem, if you wanted to save it to your computer, you could do that way. So if we go back to our page, I want you to see that you have the ability to type, you have the ability to insert different things. So this is almost like an online live Word document. So if I wanted to insert, let's just say a picture, I go to insert and I click picture. I click file if I have a document I like to insert. Now, one thing that I really like about this notebook is that you can draw on the images that I put in here. So let's just say you read this poem and you come to the first line of the poem and you really think that line is important. You can click draw, okay, and then you can select any one of these tools here. So there's a pen tool, there's a highlighting tool, and for now we'll just click the pen. We'll give it the color comes to black, but we can change that to blue, green, red, even something else. We'll just go with green right now. So now you have your pen and you have it in green color, and you come down here and you can now draw on this document. Okay. Now this would be helpful if you are reading a poem or anything that you have to read in this class, and like I said, something sticks out to you and you think it's important. Again, you can even erase that if you need to. So if you didn't mean to make a mark, you can click this eraser tool and just erase. If you want to highlight instead of using the pen, you can click this highlight button and it gives you a variety of different colors. We'll just go with yellow, and I'll just show you that I can highlight as such. Okay, so that's the draw feature. Now, if I wanted to get out of that, excuse me, to make sure that you are no longer highlighting or writing, you want to make sure you go back and click on this marquee select. Now you are free to click and navigate through the page as normal. Okay, so in this assignment today, and a lot of other assignments with poems or readings, you will be asked to answer questions. So to answer a question, all you do is you simply click where you want to type and you begin typing. Now, one thing that I asked you to do in the directions for this assignment, which is very simple, is to change the font color of your answers to blue. And here's how you do that. You want to make sure in home, you want to select the font that you want to change. You want to come up to this colored A and highlight over it. It'll say font color, and then you're going to change it to blue. Now what this does is this just allows me to see your actual answer. So when I go back and look at your work, I have an easier time. So these are just a few tools that you have available in Class Notebook. Hopefully this is helpful for you.